I'm not sure if it is a toad or a frog, but these things have been actually consuming my fish. Now, the only way I can actually get rid of this is to actually kill it. I cannot kill it on YouTube because that would be graphic. And probably I might lose my channel, right? So I'm gonna have to kill it, right? Because it is actually consuming my fish. See the head? See the rest of it? I'm not sure if it is a toad or a frog, but if I do lift it up for you to get a full view, I might end up losing it again and it might go into my ponds. It's hours of night now, probably about minutes after 10. I just came out to look at my ponds and I saw this. It's a little bit smaller than a frog. Let me see if I can get a quick view, right? Yeah. In my ponds, eating my fish, right? So I'm gonna have to get something now to actually put it out of its misery. In other words, I'm gonna have to kill it, guys. This is just one of the problems in which I face. Having ponds outside in the night, they actually come in. As we watch the show, they come out at night. Well, these creatures come out at night and they consume my fish. And that's one of the reasons why I am going into cichlids, where the cichlids are a little bit more aggressive. And regardless of how big these toads are, these creatures are, they are not able to consume my fish because they are large. The fish itself is large. Cool. See there underneath the mesh? This is the end chapter for the toad. The block is on top of it. And you know what comes next, right? I'm going to have to probably in the morning dig a hole and bury it into, right? But I had to do this because there might be several others. And one call the other friend and then they end up with a big toad problem. Catch you next time. Bye-bye. Cool.